All systems are go. We're about 90 seconds to launch a space shuttle Discovery. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. We're transferring to orbiter internal power at this time. Discovery is now running off its 3 onboard fuel cells. Coming up on a go for auto sequence start. And we have a go for auto sequence start. Discovery's onboard computers are finally in control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 17 seconds and counting. 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, start, 2, 1, boost ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station.
All right. There we have it, the launch of Discovery. That was a successful launch. Obviously, there were some issues with some of the space shuttle launches where there were some tragic fatalities, but a lot of brave souls take those missions out into space. So here we are, Hexter 3, week 2. All right, so let me get to that. That was just a little liftoff video for you. Week 2, inner planets and outer planets. The 4 inner planets are called the rocky or terrestrial planets, and that would be Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And then the 4 outer planets are the Jovian, which they're either gaseous or more ice-filled planets. Okay, so that would be Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and Pluto. And of course, Pluto is not considered a planet, although there's a move again to reinstate it. But so with Pluto, think what you want. But it's mainly because of its orbit is a little bit erratic, and they've decided that it's not technically a planet. But anyway, let's go to the 8 planets that we're going to be talking about. Inner planets and outer planets for week 2. Yeah, come over here to the materials option. Again, just as a reminder, my contact information is down here. Week 2, inner planets and outer planets. Go through the week 2 intro, and as it says here, continue to work on the Cosmos cards and the vocab assignment. Okay. Weekly objectives, that's the standards we're going after. For this week's discussion, post one thing new you've learned about astronomy and reply to one other student's post. Lesson 1 is a video on the inner and outer planets, and there's some follow-up computer-graded questions right here. Then we have some solar system cards that were similar to the Cosmos cards you should be working on. Some of you have already turned in your assignment there. Excellent. And there's only about 10 of these. If you have trouble logging in to this particular site, you just type in teacher1 as the password if it shows up with a password option. All right, lesson 3, lunar and solar eclipse. There's a reading and some follow-up questions. Here's the questions. For now, unless I get this fixed today, once you're done writing down the answers to the questions, just take a photo and upload that to me, submit it to me that way. Still working out some kinks on that. Lesson 4 is the rocky planets. All right, the first 4 planets. And then we have a Jovian planet web quest. Jovian, or the gaseous planets. There are, what did I put in here? 7 questions for you. And you need to look those answers up, do a web quest, a search, do some research on the internet, and write down the answers to those and submit them to me. And at this point, you have those assignments plus your vocabulary assignment, which is the 90 words that involve just copying down 20 of them, of the words with their definition, 20 of them using a sentence, 20 illustrations or diagrams, and then the short story. And the other 10 you can choose to do with either one of those 4 that I just explained. There's directions all over week 1 on this assignment. I'll post them on week 2 again. Don't wait too long if you haven't started. If you have started, good for you. I will get back to you in the midweek with another video if needed. For now, happy travels and safe travels.